Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I was just playing around with a kind of a rounded corner box, and then I'm using the plastic effect. And I started thinking a lot of people might not realize, uh, when you're working, let's put this in the center of the page. Well, it already is. And let's just play around a little bit. Let's take a 2 point line and go from here to here and from here to here. And then we'll fill that in with a smart fill, and then get the interactive fill tool and go downward and put a little black in there so it makes it look dark. And then we can take that and Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. And so you like that, and you go, I'd like to try something else, but I want that same box back. Well, what you can do, you can copy this and then go backwards onto your undo marker. And let's go back to fill. And let's go back one more. So we have that. But then all I have to do is go over here and paste it. And I've got that original, but I can still work on this new one. And you could just keep doing that. Now you can save the file, but then you'd have to import it back in and everything. So you could keep making ones. And the smartest thing to do, if you know you're going to play around with it, maybe is make a bunch of duplicates and have them set up there and, play around. And let's take away these little lines and let's use the interactive or the smart fill tool. Smart fill tool, and then let's go to effects, bevel, and let's bevel that so we get that look. And you go, that's pretty cool. But if I hadn't made a copy of that, that's not really cool. If I had not made a copy of this and I wanted this box back, the same size, I could just, you could actually make a copy of everything, copy it, and then you could go backwards till you have that box again. And let me just delete that. And then you could right click and paste, and you've got those two items still back. So you could go back and forth and not lose that, because it irritates sometimes when you have to go way back to do something and, oh man, you've lost that file, that pretty one. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.